Module 3, Lección 12. ¿Qué hacen? All right, so we already know how to talk about what I do, what you do, and what he or she does. Now we're going to learn how to talk about what groups of other people do. As with any action words in Spanish, there are two ways to go about this. You can memorize the words, which is my preferred method, because this makes your conversations faster, makes it easier to communicate later, or you can learn how to conjugate the verbs. What do they do? This is for all boys or mixed groups of people. There's a review here for the yo forms, to forms, and el and ella forms, which we've covered before. For the ellos form, you're going to take off the last two letters and add either n or on, an. If the verb ends in er or ir, you add en. If the verb ends in ar, you add an. For example, comer, to eat, ends in er, so you take off the er and you add en for the ellos form. Ellos comen, they eat. Hablar ends in ar, so take off the ar and add an for the ellos form. Ellos hablan, they speak. What do they do? These are all girls. Notice they're the same, so you need context clues. Again, you take off the last two letters and you add en or an. Again, if the verb ends in er or ir, you add en. If the verb ends in ar, you add an. For example, with comer, it ends in er. You take off the er and add en for the as form. Ellas comen, they eat. For example, hablar ends in ar, so you take off the ar and add an for the as form. Ellas hablan, they speak. What do you all do for ustedes? And you're going to do the exact same thing. If the verb ends in er or ir, you add en. If the verb ends in ar, you add an. So comer ends in er, you take off the er and add en for the ustedes form. Ustedes comen, you all eat. Hablar ends in ar, so you take off the ar and add an for the ustedes form. Ustedes hablan, you all speak. Here are some example preguntas. ¿Qué hacen ellos en su tiempo libre? What do they do in their free time? ¿Qué hacen ellas en su tiempo libre? What do they do in their free time? ¿Qué hacen ellos en los fines de semana? What do they do on weekends? ¿Qué hacen ellas los viernes? What do they do on Fridays? ¿Qué hacen ellos con su familia? What do they do with their family? And example verbs. Bailan, cantan, cazan, corren, dibujan, duermen, escriben, escuchan, estudian, hablan. They dance, you all dance. They sing, you all sing. They hunt, you all hunt. They run, you all run. They draw, you all draw. They sleep, you all sleep. They write, you all write. They listen, you all listen. They study, you all study. They speak, you all speak. Hacen ejercicio. They exercise, or you all exercise. Hacen tarea. They do homework, or you all do homework. Juegan a las cartas. They play cards, or you all play cards. Juegan a los videojuegos. They play video games, or you all play video games. Juegan al fútbol. They play soccer, or you all play soccer. Leen. They read, or you all read. Pescan. They fish, or you all fish. Practican deportes. They practice sports, or you all practice sports. Usan la computadora. They use the computer, or you all use the computer. Ven la tele. They watch TV, you all watch TV. Miran los deportes. They watch sports, you all watch sports. Van de compras. They go shopping, you all go shopping. Trabajan. They work, you all work. Tocan la guitarra. They play guitar, you all play guitar. Or, as usual, you can say that they or you all don't have much free time. Ellos no tienen mucho tiempo libre. They don't have much free time. Ellas no tienen mucho tiempo libre. They don't have much free time. Ustedes no tienen mucho tiempo libre. You all don't have much free time. Okay, that's it for this video.